Start you in here. My dog just had 7 puppies last night, so I'm gonna let you see them. There they are. Hi, Brandy. She's a really good mommy. Good mommy. Here's Clementine. She's a little Clement here. She's so. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? They're really fluffy. That's suckling. It's doing it right. Yeah, suckling. Okay. Boston Terriers. They're healthy. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I have to say. Oh wait, I have something to say. This one right here, not sure if you can see, but he's a certain brown, but if you look carefully, he's got little dark stripes on him. We're thinking of naming him Tigger, or Tiger, something like that. So it kind of reminds me of a boxer almost. So yeah, there are our puppies. All right. I hope you like this video, subscribe, share it, so that all people in the world can see that my dog had puppies. Thank you.